Good day, Sir Janus. Naman greetings po. Here's our group project. First is create a console application written in Java language of a dental clinic patient management system with appointment scheduling using object-oriented approach by identifying the necessary classes, class feeds and methods, and class relationships that keep idea to research for the required system features in order to complete tasks, most especially the capability that system to be dynamic using CRUD, create, delete, update, and delete functionalities. The system should have the capabilities to retain the data using list of objects that could scared be a way to be used for data retrieval in generating your own identified report.
Greetings everyone, I am Carlo Renzi Antioquia and I'm here to explain my part, which is class in our final group research project. I will try my best to make it understand it for you. This class encapsulates the essential details of an appointment by storing its date and purpose and providing a method to generate a string representation of appointment details. The toString method helps in obtaining a formatted string that includes the appointment date and purpose when the object needs to be displayed or printed. Fields. The fields is private date represents the date of the appointment. Private string purpose represent the purpose reason for the appointment. Constructor. Public appointment. Parameters date string purpose. Initializes an appointment object with a given date and purpose. ToString method overrides the ToString method inherited from the object class. Returns a string representation of the appointment object displaying its date and purpose. So the next reporter is Rota.
My name is Axel John Sorota and I'm going to explain this code, the part of our project. In essence, the patient class allows for the creation of patient objects with associated appointments. It enables adding appointments to a patient record and retrieving information about a patient's ID name in their list of appointments. In a formatted manner, public string get appointments info generates a formatted string containing the patient's ID name in their appointments, utilizes a string builder to construct the string, appends the patient's ID and name to the string, iterates through the list of appointments and appends each appointment's information to the string, returns the concentrated string containing the patient's information in their appointments.
The Dental Clinic Management System class serves as the main controller class for managing the dental clinic patient-related operations. Here's an overview of this functionality. This method prints out the menu option and prompts the user to enter their choice by displaying enter your choice. Overall, the class orchestrates the interaction between users and the dental clinic management system by presenting a menu driver interface and handling using user input to execute various functionalities related to patient management, creation, viewing of appointment, admission, and patient search within the dental clinic.
Greetings, my name is Tishan Dolendo, and I will explain this code. Display prompt or user input. This method begins by displaying a prompt asking the user to input the patient ID using system outprint, enter patient ID. Next, read patient ID. Scanner next in is used to read the integer's value entered by the user, capturing it as the patient ID and storing it in variable patient ID. Next, consume new line character. After capturing the integer value for the patient ID, there might be new line character left in the input buffer to handle. This scanner next line is used to consume the new line character, preparing the scan for the next input. Next, prompt and read patient name. Next, the system prompts the user to enter the patient name using system outprint enter patient name. Scanner next line reads the entire line of the input by the user as the patient name in the store it in variable name. Next, create patient object. Using the capture patient ID and name, a new patient object is created. Patient equals new patient ID name, and the patient to the list. The newly created patient object is added to the list called patients within the dental clinic management system using patient add patient. Next, confirmation message. Finally, a confirmation message is displayed to the user indicating the patient has been created successfully. System outprint patient created successfully. In summary, this method sexually captured the patient ID and the name for the user create patient object with this information and then adds the newly created patient to the list parent, essentially recording their details within the dental clinic management. Next reporter.
Thank you. And now, this is my report. The few patients parentheses method is the dental clinic management system class is responsible for displaying the list of patients and their appointment information. Here's a breakdown of its functionality. This method enables the user of the dental clinic management system to view a comprehensive list of patients along with their associated appointment information. And that's all. Thank you. The next reporter is Yano.
Input user for appointment details. Prompts the user to enter the patient ID for whom the appointment needs to be added using system.out.print. Enter patient ID to add appointment. Then reads the inputted patient ID using scanner.nextInt. Consume new line. Consumes the new line character after reading the integer input using scanner.nextLine to prepare for the next input. Input for appointment date. Ask the user to input the appointment date in a format date, month, year via system.out.print. Enter appointment date, month, year. Then reads the inputted date string using scanner.nextLine and attempts to parse it into a date using object simple data format. Input for appointment purpose. Prompts the user to enter the appointment purpose using system.out.print. Enter appointment purpose. Then reads the purpose input using scanner.nextLine. This method facilitates the addition of appointments to patients based on their ID, allowing for efficient management of appointments within the dental clinic system. Next reporter, Escares.
Yes, search patient is a placeholder for a patient search feature while start manage the user interface and direct the flow of the program based on user choices. Currently, the search functionality remains unimplemented denoted by the placeholder comment. Once the search functionalities is implemented in search patient, the menu driven system will enable user to navigate different functionalities like patient creation, viewing patients, adding appointments, searching for patients, and lastly, exciting the program. Yes, the next reporter is Jake Abraham. Thank you.
Method body, dental clinic management system. System is equals to new dental clinic management system. Creates an instance of the dental clinic management system class name system. System start initiates the execution of the dental clinic management system. The start method orchestrates the program's functionalities, displaying the main menu and handling user choices until the user decides to exit. The main method is starting print of the program, creating an instance of the dental clinic management system. Class and initiating the program's execution by invoking the start method, which manages the interaction with users through a menu-driven interface for the dental clinic management system. Next reporter, Carbach Lorenz Sasan.
The output display is the main menu of the dental clinic patient management system. It provides several options for managing patient tasks. Create patient allows the user to create a new patient by entering their ID and name. View patient display IDs of existing patients along with her appointment details. Add appointment enables the addition of an appointment for patient by providing the patient ID. Appointment date and purpose. Search patient functionality to search for a specific patient. Exit. Option to exit the program and terminate the execution of the system. This method serves as the navigation guide for different operation within the dental clinic patient management system, allowing tasks related to patient management, appointing, scheduling. That's the summary of our output, and that's all. Thank you.